Today, we're diving into the mesmerizing world of the Fibonacci sequence and its profound spiritual implications. As we look into the Fibonacci sequence, it's essential to recognize it as more than just a series of numbers. This sequence is a gateway to a deeper understanding of the universe and our place within it. One of the most mesmerizing aspects of the Fibonacci sequence is the Fibonacci spiral. This elegant spiral is a natural representation of growth and expansion in the universe. When consistently counting the spirals, the numbers of spirals will always be Fibonacci numbers, such as 34, 21, 13, 8, 5, 3, 2, 1, 1, and 0. The Fibonacci sequence, beginning with 0 and 1, where each number is the sum of the two preceding ones, is believed by some to be a gateway to a deeper understanding of the universe and our place within it. In many spiritual traditions, the Fibonacci sequence is seen as a divine code, a blueprint of creation. It is believed to symbolize the fundamental principles of existence, illustrating how life evolves from simplicity to complexity. This numerical pattern is not just a mathematical curiosity, it's a reflection of the universe's innate order and harmony. The spiritual essence of the Fibonacci sequence invites us to look beyond the surface, to the metaphysical significance of numbers and patterns. It encourages us to explore the mysteries of life and the cosmos, urging us to ponder our own existence and the intricate designs that make up our world. The sequence also has deep roots in numerology, where numbers are believed to hold vibrational energies and meanings. The divine proportion, also known as the goldenratio, which is closely associated with the Fibonacci sequence, is seen as a symbol of beauty, balance, and harmony in the universe. It reminds us of the cosmic order and the delicate balance that permeates all of existence. As we dive deeper into the Fibonacci sequence, we begin a journey of self-discovery and spiritual awakening. This journey is not just about understanding a sequence of numbers, it's about connecting with the infinite complexities of the universe, unlocking doors to higher knowledge and enlightenment. The Fibonacci sequence, thus, serves as a powerful catalyst for spiritual growth and awareness. It encourages us to look within and recognize the divine patterns that are mirrored in our own lives. By embracing the spiritual essence of this sequence, we can open ourselves to transformative experiences that elevate our consciousness and bring us closer to understanding the true nature of reality. In nature, we discover the Fibonacci sequence is a fundamental part of its design. This is not a mere coincidence, but a testament to the universal patterns that guide the growth and structure of life itself. Nature, in its wisdom, uses the Fibonacci sequence as a building block, creating an array of stunning designs and formations. Look closely at a sunflower, and you'll see the seeds arranged in spirals that follow the Fibonacci sequence. The presence of the Fibonacci sequence in sunflower spirals is a manifestation of the sequence's prevalence in nature, reflecting its significance in the natural world and its association with organic growth and balance. This connection to Fibonacci sequence is often seen as a symbol of the interconnectedness of the universe and a tool for exploring spiritual concepts and growth. Similarly, the way leaves are arranged on a stem or the branching of trees often adheres to this pattern, optimizing sunlight exposure and nutrient distribution. Even in the animal kingdom, we find this sequence in the spirals of seashells, the arrangement of a hawk's feathers, and the body proportions of various creatures. Consider the humble pine cone, a perfect example of the Fibonacci sequence in action. The scales of a pine cone are arranged in a way that allows it to grow most efficiently, following the sequence's principles. This isn't just a matter of aesthetics, it's a practical, evolutionary advantage that exemplifies nature's genius. The blossoming of flowers is another area where Fibonacci's touch is evident. The number of petals in many flowers adheres to the sequence: lilies with 3 petals, buttercups with 5, chicory with 21, and so on. This isn't just about numbers. It reflects the golden ratio, offering a perfect balance between growth and energy efficiency. From the galaxies above to the shells on the seashore, this spiral pattern recurs in nature, symbolizing the interconnectedness of all things. This sequence is more than a pattern. It's a principle of growth and development. In the unfurling of a fern or the growth of a shell, the Fibonacci sequence governs the rate and form of growth, allowing each organism to maximize its potential in harmony with its surroundings. Extending beyond individual organisms, the Fibonacci sequence also manifests in larger ecosystems. It is seen in the way trees are spaced in a forest or the pattern of waves on a sandy beach. These patterns suggest an underlying order, a divine blueprint that facilitates the interconnectedness and harmony of all living things. As we observe the omnipresence of the Fibonacci sequence in nature, we are reminded of the divine craftsmanship that shapes our world. By understanding and appreciating this divine blueprint, we deepen our connection with nature and gain insights into the essence of life and the universe itself. In our quest to understand the depths of consciousness, we often turn to the mysteries of the universe. Here, the Fibonacci sequence emerges as a key that links the physical world to our inner spiritual landscape. This sequence isn't just a numerical pattern. It's a reflection of the fundamental principles that govern our consciousness and the universe. This sequence is a universal concept, going beyond different cultures and languages. It connects us all to the larger cosmos. Through this sequence, we start to understand how creation works, from tiny particles to huge galaxies. Engaging with Fibonacci sequence is an exercise in elevating our minds. It's a journey that takes us from the mundane to the sublime, helping us to understand the elegance and simplicity inherent in the complexity of the universe. As we explore this sequence, we open ourselves to new perspectives, expanding our understanding and raising our consciousness. Incorporating the sequence into meditation practices can be profoundly transformative. Visualizing this pattern can help synchronize our thoughts with the rhythm of the universe, facilitating a deeper state of mindfulness and awareness. It's a pathway to attaining higher levels of spiritual insight and enlightenment. Incorporating the sequence into meditation practices can enhance mindfulness and deepen your spiritual journey. Here's a step-by-step guide to get started. Understand the Fibonacci sequence. Before integrating it into your meditation, familiarize yourself with the sequence. Remember, it's a series where each number is the sum of the 2 preceding ones, starting with 0 and 1. The sequence goes like this: 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, and so on. Create a calm environment. Find a quiet, comfortable space for meditation. Ensure it's a place where you won't be disturbed. You can use cushions or a chair to sit comfortably. Begin with basic breathing exercises. Start your meditation with a few minutes of deep breathing. Inhale slowly, hold for a moment, and then exhale slowly. This helps to calm your mind and body, preparing you for deeper meditation. Visualize the sequence. Close your eyes and start visualizing the sequence in your mind. Picture each number and how it adds up to the next. The sequence begins with 0 and 1, where each number is the sum of the 2 preceding ones. You can visualize the numbers themselves or imagine them as steps, spirals, or any other form that resonates with you. Incorporate the sequence into your breath. As you continue to breathe deeply, synchronize your breathing with the sequence. For example, inhale on 0, exhale on 1, inhale on 1, and so on. This helps to focus your mind and deepen your meditation. Assign a number from the Fibonacci sequence to each phase of your breathing. Start with the first numbers of the sequence, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, and so on. For example, inhale while mentally counting 0, then exhale on 1. Next, inhale on 1 and exhale on 2. Continue this pattern, gradually moving up the sequence with each breath. As you progress to higher numbers in the sequence, allow your breaths to become longer and deeper. For instance, when you reach numbers like 5 or 8, let your inhales and exhales be more prolonged and full, matching the increased count. Concentrate on the pattern of the sequence as you breathe. This focus helps to keep your mind engaged with the meditation process and prevents it from wandering. Imagine with each breath, your awareness expands just like the sequence grows. With every larger number, feel your consciousness widening and deepening, paralleling the increasing sequence. Be mindful as you transition from one number to the next. Notice the subtle shift in your breathing as it aligns with the progression of the numbers. Ensure that your breathing remains balanced and rhythmic. The goal is not to strain, but to allow the sequence to naturally guide the ebb and flow of your breath. If you find the higher numbers are making your breathing uncomfortable or strained, revert back to the lower numbers. The key is harmonious synchronization, not reaching the highest possible number. Through this practice, aim to harmonize your mind with your body by using the Fibonacci sequence as a bridge. This bridge connects your breath, a physical process, with your mental focus, a cognitive process. Expand the visualization. Imagine the sequence expanding beyond numbers, reflecting the natural patterns around you, like the petals of a flower or the branches of a tree. This helps to connect your meditation with the natural world. Reflect on the sequence's significance. As you meditate, ponder the significance of the sequence. Think about its presence in nature and its symbolic meaning in your spiritual journey. To enhance your meditation, you can use music or sounds that follow the sequence's rhythm. This can help in maintaining focus and deepening the meditation experience. Gradually increase the time of meditation. Start with short sessions and gradually increase the duration as you become more comfortable with the practice. Conclude with gratitude. End your meditation session with a moment of gratitude. Acknowledge the unique connection you've explored between mathematics, nature, and spirituality. The Fibonacci sequence, in its endless progression, mirrors our journey of growth and self-discovery. Each number in the sequence can be seen as a step in our evolving understanding of ourselves and the universe. It encourages us to look beyond the surface, to explore the depths of our consciousness and our place in the cosmos. This mathematical pattern opens a window to the infinite, inviting us to explore the limitless possibilities of our minds and spirits. In our journey towards higher consciousness, we often seek paths that lead us to inner harmony and understanding. The Fibonacci sequence, in its elegant simplicity, offers such a path. This mathematical pattern found throughout nature also resonates within us, echoing the harmony of the universe in our consciousness. We invite you now to pause and reflect on your own life. Observe the patterns around you, both in the natural world and within your own experiences. Consider how the divine order of the sequence might be subtly influencing your journey and how you can align more closely with this universal harmony. Our journey with the Fibonacci sequence does not end here. There is always more to discover, more connections to uncover, and deeper insights to gain. We encourage you to continue exploring, learning, and growing, both intellectually and spiritually. Let the Fibonacci sequence be a tool that guides your curiosity and fuels your spiritual growth. If this exploration of the Fibonacci sequence and its spiritual significance has inspired you, we'd love to hear from you. Please like, share, and comment below with your thoughts and experiences. Your engagement helps us bring more such enlightening content to light. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating journeys like this.